Upwork takes a 10% freelancer service fee, Fiverr takes 20%, and Freelancer can charge both project fees and optional bid costs. That one difference changes how much money you keep before you even start. By the end of this, you'll know which platform ranks best for beginners, long-term income, and getting clients faster. Here's the short ranking first. For beginners, Fiverr, Door. For serious long-term freelancing, Upwork. For lower competition and flexible bidding, Freelancer. Out. That's the fast answer. First, Fiverr. Fiverr is the easiest to start because you don't pitch clients first. You create a gig, set your price, and wait for buyers. That removes the pressure of writing proposals. If you're selling logo design, video editing, voiceovers, or SEO, Fiverr works fast because buyers already search for those services. The downside is the fee. You lose 20% on every order. Sell a $100 job, keep $80. Simple. It's good for fast starts but expensive as you scale. Next, Upwork. Upwork is harder at the beginning because you need proposals. That means buying connects, writing custom pitches, and competing. But the clients are usually higher quality. A lot of businesses use Upwork for bigger budgets and repeat work. The fee is 10%. So a $500 project leaves you with $450. That's a huge difference compared to Fiverr. Upwork is stronger if you want long-term contracts, hourly work, or agency clients. Then there's Freelancer. Freelancer sits somewhere in the middle. It has contests, direct bids, and milestone projects. That gives you more ways to win work. The problem is competition can get aggressive, especially on lower budget jobs. Many freelancers bid fast and cheap. That pushes prices down. Its fee structure also changes depending on the project type, so earnings can feel less predictable. Here's the ranking. If your goal is fastest first sale, Fiverr ranks first. If your goal is building a serious freelance business, Upwork ranks first. If you want more bidding freedom and don't mind competition, Freelancer is worth testing. Quick summary. Fiverr is easiest to start, but takes the biggest cut. Upwork takes less money, and usually has better clients. Freelancer gives more flexibility but can be harder to price right. Your next step is simple. Pick one platform based on your skill, and commit to it for 30 days before switching. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more freelance platform breakdowns.